People are going absolutely wild over ChatGPT. The opportunities are boundless, and making money has never been this straightforward. According to OpenAI, this AI-powered chatbot has garnered over 1 million users in less than a week. If you're not yet familiar with ChatGPT and how it works, no worries. I'll break it down for you with a quick example. ChatGPT stands for Chat Generative Pre-trained Transformer, and it's essentially a smart AI chatbot that can generate text based on prompts in an advanced and unique way. It can whip up essays in seconds and summarize books with just one click. It's like having your very own AI genie. So, if you haven't hopped on the ChatGPT train yet, you might be missing out because it's a goldmine for online income. The best part? You don't need any prior experience. You just copy and paste your way to earning $20, $30, $50, or even $100 a day without breaking a sweat. Imagine the time and money you could save using this technology. And think about all the exciting opportunities it can bring in the future. Now don't skip any part of this video because I'm about to share with you the top 6 unique ways to make money online using ChatGPT, and I'll sprinkle in some tips and tricks to help you maximize your results quickly. Before we dive in, do me a favor and hit that like button and subscribe to my channel. Your support keeps the informative videos coming. Now, let's get started. If you've ever used the internet, you've probably heard of freelance marketplaces like Fiverr, Upwork, Freelancer, and more. But here's the twist: we're not going to work as freelancers. Nope, we're going to use ChatGPT to provide services without lifting a finger. Here's the step-by-step process. 1. Head over to Fiverr and explore the writing and translation category. You'll find a bunch of services people are selling. 2. Here's the golden tip: niche down to avoid competition. Instead of offering services to everyone, focus on a specific niche like weddings, fitness, or anything you're passionate about. This will make you stand out and avoid the competition. Imagine you get an order to write a blog post about ways to lose weight quickly. Now, all you need to do is go to ChatGPT and let the AI do the writing for you. And just like that, in a matter of seconds, you have a fully written article that you can get paid for without doing any research or typing a single word yourself. Incredible, right? This method isn't limited to blog posts. It has the potential to make you thousands of dollars quickly. You just need to get creative and find ways to use it to your advantage. Okay, let's dive into the second fantastic way to make money using ChatGPT: selling blog posts and articles. Imagine you receive an order to write an article on the best ways to make money online. Instead of breaking a sweat, you just head to ChatGPT and let the AI do the writing for you. Get creative with your prompts, like starting with the article's headline and then moving on to the main content. Specific prompts yield high-quality results. The third method involves writing video scripts. If you've noticed, there are tons of successful sellers on platforms like Fiverr offering this service. You can jump in on the action. Just set the action in ChatGPT to write a video script, initiate the conversation, and when it's done, copy, paste, deliver, and get paid. It's as simple as that. The fourth way is perfect for those looking to write product descriptions. Let's say you're tasked with describing a product listed on Amazon. Simply copy the product link, return to ChatGPT, and instruct it to write, for example, 5 Amazon-optimized bullet points explaining the product's features and benefits in a persuasive tone. Watch the magic happen as it generates a fully optimized product description in seconds. No more struggling with words. Now, the fifth method is all about selling brand names. Need a catchy name for a beauty company? Just ask the chatbot to provide name options for a beauty brand, and you'll have some cool ideas, maybe even with a short description. Remember, you don't have to copy-paste the answers verbatim. Use ChatGPT to save time and get inspired quickly. Lastly, the sixth money-making avenue is offering translation services. Need to translate some text quickly and accurately? No sweat. Copy the text, go back to ChatGPT, and ask it to translate it into your desired language. Boom, you've got a translated text ready to earn you some bucks. These are some easy-peasy ways to start raking in the dough using ChatGPT. But don't stop there. Get creative and explore more complex services. If you want me to dish out more money-making methods with ChatGPT, drop a comment below. And if you found this video helpful, please show some love by hitting that like button and subscribing to my channel. Your support keeps the informative content flowing. That's a wrap for today's video. Just remember, the longer you wait to take action, the more money you're missing out on. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll catch you next time for more exciting money-making tips.